Ito na yung isang box ng mga bubble wrap for Ayin. She's coming in a little bit, so we're gonna get ready. So I was able to do my makeup for today kasi kanina nagpicture ako for a brand, and then we're just gonna have lunch with Ayin, and then uwi rin ako agad kasi I need to record a podcast. And nakaset na yung schedule ko for tomorrow. Yesterday's vlog is all about a drastic change, and you'll find out what it is tomorrow. So I have an appointment at 9 AM. Super aga. Wearing some lashes today. We were wondering kung nasaan yung pretty huge obstacles here sa Aura. Dito lang pala, oh. I'm with Ayin!
I'm with Ayin! We're here! After months! After months! My gosh!
I'm home! Uy, alam niyo na may pasalubong. I went to Frankie's again, Baba. Mama, I know I have pasalubong. Give it to me. Look at that. It's another toy! It's brown like you. It's Kaimu in stuffed toy form. Yeah. This one's name is Doggie, okay? The other one is Bear. This one is Doggie. Okay, Bob? Oh, sus, tanggalin ko muna yung price tag. Hold on. Hold. Alright, Doggie is ready. Down, boy. Doggie, meet Kaimu. Oh my, Mama, it's a brown doggy. Be careful. Ayan na. Yeah, he's a new toy, Mama. You like him? Kakulay na kakulay ni Kaimu. Asus. Ay, sus. Don't kill him. Ay, sus. Friend ni Bear. Ay, bakit inakit mo ang treat mo dito? Baba. Wag mong sirain. Saki-saki only. Okay? And then I went to Pinkberry. I have some. I got a tub of yogurt. Oh my god, I'm gonna have some right now. And then, madaming packages dumating. We're gonna open that in a while. Oh my gosh, yum. Frozen yogurt. Baba, you want some? I'm gonna give you frozen yogurt. Yes, Mom. Opening packages right now. Hi, Boo. We have something from Beauty Box. It says beautiful hair starts here. ICHIKAMI hair series. We have smoothing shampoo and smoothing conditioner. Ooh, Boo Boo, look at this. Mommy, is that mine? That's mine, my love. And then we have a towel. Hair towel. That's so nice. Wow. Bongga. Alright, up next we have something from Sunnies. So here we have the Sunnies face glass, which I am going to film mamaya. Super pretty. We're gonna try these in a bit. Here's a package from Her Element, and I'm so excited for this one. Look at this, guys. Masknegel. Girl, super perfect. 445 lang, and made out of Sika, which is Centella Asiatica. Na-familiarize ako sa ingredient na yan when we went to Korea. And we also have salicylic acid, perfect for breakouts. And of course, tea tree oil, also perfect for breakouts and redness. Ang ginamit nila na, na bubble wrap, yung seaweed wrap. Oh, perfect. Thank you, Liz. Wow, may chocolate pa. Wow. Oh my. Thank you. Grabe, this is so cool. If I'm not mistaken, it's seaweed. Oh my goodness. Love it. Yeah, chocolate. Ito, hindi ko sure kung ano ito. I can't wait to try this. Oh my gosh. Love it. Ang ganda ng packaging. This one came from The Green Tummy. Adlay rice salad. So may recipe sila na pinadala. And then along with that, adlay. I've never tried adlay before. Galing. I'll definitely try that one out. And then here, so meron silang super sale. 30% off. Wow. 12, 30% off. Oh my goodness. Amazing. And then here, we have the chia pudding kit. Granola, chia seeds, and cacao. Thank you, The Green Tummy. Next one is a package from Clinique. And meron tayong pre-sale exclusive Happy Tea, My Happy. Buy one, get one. Worth 2.6, now 1.3. Let's find out kung ano nasa loob ng box. Ayan, so we have you can select your favorite My Happy scent and receive a free full-size wow, full size. So I'll have all the details in the information box. So December 1 to 11, 15% deposit, and then check out on 12/12 para makuha nyo yung promo. This is awesome. Okay, let's open it. You have the box. Ooh, all the colors. Oh my goodness. Thank you, Clinique. So, I'm just unboxing here. And finally, tapos na si Kaimu magulo sa doggy niya. And now he's doing saki-saki. He always does this. Una, aawayin niya muna. And then, saki-saki time. This is a gift from Ate Shar na hindi ko pa sana bubuksan, pero buksan ko na now. I'm so excited kung ano nasa loob. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Look at this. Tessie and Jessie cheese cutting set. Oh my god, Ate Shar, this is so nice. Oh, I love it. Thank you. I seriously love this, guys. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Perfect for the holidays. Thank you, Ate Shar. Oh, I love it. Grabe. I want to vlog this kasi grabe, ang laki ng itlog ng brand na to. I need to remember. Juan Organic Farm Fresh Eggs. Sobrang laki, oh. Look at this. Whoa. Another package from Marie France. Let's open it. Oh my god! Oh my goodness. I remember parang same time last year. Ganun din. Nagpadala sila ng set ng mga utensils. Now, we have, what is this? It's a coaster! Girl! Ganda! Thank you, Marie France. This is so pretty. And it's a tray! Oh, Baba, look at that! So pretty! Ang ganda! Thank you! May pinascan sila na QR code and it's a video greeting. Thank you, Marie France! That's so nice! Oh, feel ko pwede siyang coaster. Pwede rin siyang parang mini plate. It's so pretty! Ano kaya ito? I think it's resin. Di ba usong ngayon yung mga resin art? It's so pretty. Love it. I am just filming something. Okay na to. Last take. I took a lot. It's okay. Red is okay. Let's try it on you, okay? Ito naman, hindi na ako mahihirapan kasi hindi na siya manatanggal. Kasi someone's sitting on Mama's chair.
Could you give us some
Tum-tum. What a big tum-tum you have, my love. Hi, baby. Dinner is served. Kain ka na, ha? I love you.
Rest.
Something I was doing it too.
And yung favorite ko right now, Hell's Kitchen. Oh my god, I'm so addicted. Last na pala to. Ay, hindi pa. Last 4.
Yes!
Followed by
Nick, amazing job.